Praise God. This morning devotion na chambua na misho. Nimeokoka, Kristo ni Bwana. It's a bright morning. I want to encourage you from the book of Acts chapter 20. Unakumbuka ile historia ya Eutychus? Manze msilale. Watch. In the book of Acts, hiyo chapter 20 kisha. Paul is very clear, be watchful because there are those who will come looking for believers like wolves. Yeah, trying to devour them. You remember the Bible is very clear. It says the devil comes to kill, steal and destroy. So this morning, be watchful, trust in God, believe in God, know that God is with you. Mungu anakupenda sana. Mungu akona sababu yako. God bless you so much. Make sure to subscribe to Chambua na Misho and God will really bless you. Have a blessed day. Have a fruitful day. Mbarikiwe.